Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Figma tutorial how to add a frame. As example, I will create new design file. You can click here and then click design file. Now if you want to add a frame, you can go to bottom toolbar. Okay, in here we have these frame tools. You can click and then will be show the option in the right bar. You can choose by phone, tablet, desktop, or the other. As example, I will use phones, and you can click on iPhone 16 Pro, and it will be appear for the frame for the iPhone selected. So if you want to delete this frame, you can select in layer, and then you can press delete button. Now we can change again with the new frame. Okay, I will use the tablet and I will use this option Surface Pro 8 and will be appear for the frame. Okay, that's it for basic Figma tutorial how to add a frame. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.